there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this dog ramp that you can be using for bed or for direct your dog to any other high surfaces. So this is really cool. I got sent out this one for review, and let me tell you that I am in love. It is really cool. It has this part right here which feels like a carpet, and it is made of wood. The rest of it is made of wood, which I love, and it has a very nice finish. Also, it has some protectors on the sides so the dog doesn't feel like it will fall, and it also has some protectors for you to not scratch your floors or woods. Okay, as you can see, our dog Miley is looking forward to test it, and here it also has a few levels that you can use. It has 5 adjustable heights that you can use depending where you will be using it. And in the bottom as well, it has in the bottom it has that wooden fence that it is really nice decorated, and these ones can be easily removed and also installed. I will show you how you can install these as well. Okay, so let's start using it and testing it and see how it works. So right here, as you can see, we are just installing the fence. Really easy. You just push it and you can see how our dog Miley is using it very easily. You can also fold it and put it under your bed in this case, or wherever you want to use it. Also, it has this nice handle on the side that you can use it to carry it easily wherever you go. Okay, this fence you can also put it on the top, so you can prevent your dog from going down or going up as well. I think it's really nice. It's really easy to use. It is foldable. You can put it under your bed. It doesn't require a lot of space, and it is not heavy at all. So I'm sure that you will be loving these as well as your pet here.